Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka Jingpyntreikam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka Jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka Jingpuli ka Jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo sao san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, ar riwe khandai pra. Ka Department of Khasi History but English, Jong ka Sankardev College, Shillong, haringkat ka Jingpyntreikam but ka Directorate of School Education and Literary Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, ka Tanat Puli Puthi Jong Sarkar Jila ha ka South Rik Unailar Arajar Phulai, ka la pelong ka Ïathir tai, Halor ka Jingpyntreikam ya ka National Education Policy Arajar Arpho, da ka Jingkershan Lang Jong ka State Bank of India. Ya kini ke Ïathir tai la plie da State Project Director jong ka SSA Uswapnil Tembe ubadairu Director jong ka School Education and Literacy ubalalong kum ukongsan hakni ka sngi ringkat ke jing sakilang jong ka Principal jong ka College ka Dr. Eureka FB Lingdo ki nohikai bik samna plie jong ka College.
Sometimes most of us also we see our future in our children's lives. We see the parents, the parental expectations, and also what I cannot achieve in myself. I want to see it in my child. So I force my child to take, science. Take science. But now I have stopped doing that. I allow free hand for my children. Because, later they say, you were the one who asked me to take science. Now see, I have to drop out. Alright? Do we do that or not? Yes or no? Yes, right? So we want to see the dreams that we had in our children. So that's why sometimes we say you should take science. You should go for engineering. I forced my child, my eldest daughter, to take BSc nursing after she passed with good marks. I said she doesn't want to go for MBBS, so she said I'll go for engineering. I said don't go for engineering, go for BSc nursing. She doesn't want to, and she went for engineering. She didn't succeed in engineering. She completed, but she didn't succeed. She didn't get any job. Then later on, years after, now she's going to be 40 years, and now. Before just reaching 40 years old, she said, Mom, I want to do BSc nursing. I've done my course. She has done a caregiver course. Caregiver is something and it's since she is outside the country, so they get good jobs with that kind of qualification. So now she said she's happy doing that. She learned so much. She knows how to do CPR, and then she knows how to, take care of the old. So all these courses that now I told her, see, right from the time when you passed your class 12, I said go for BSc nursing, and now finally you reached my aim.
The first thing is to ensure an inclusive classroom. In environment, like my colleague have already said, that a classroom should be a play-based classroom. It should be discovery. It should be activity-based, full of activities, full of all the child-friendly classroom. So out here, I want to inform you, if the classroom is not attractive, even the children will not like to come to school. So we would like to request, if we are not saying that you have to buy all the materials. Actually, we just require the work, or the materials the project work which the children did in the class, like the drawing, the painting, all those things in the chart paper, where you can hang their project work on the wall. So if more activities can be organized in the classroom, an activity based like something which you can do some games, some playway activities which you can do in the classroom with the children, I think they will enjoy it. To enable children to become motivated, independent and engaged readers and writers, this is for the literacy part. To make children understand reasoning in the domains of number measurement, that means this is for the numeracy. So this is what the objective based on the recommendation of NFA for the foundational literacy and numeracy.